Nilusak na niyang manok, guys. Hello, guys. Nilusak na niyang manok, guys. Sea bass fried and sambal petai.
You give me the drumstick, I like the drumstick. This one the drumstick, right? The thigh, the thigh. Thigh the meat is softer.
Parang batang nakipagkagawan, guys.
I think it is. So small,
Yeah.
So this is the petai.
Yes.
Inside got seed.
No, no seed. It's a beans. Yeah.
Oh, this one kangkong.
The kangkong.
Just order the chicken. Everybody come order chicken. Hey guys. Okay, your
Eto. Kasi mamaya, fully loaded kami ng food. Yan lang yung pagkain namin, char. And up too high. Angka! We're crossing the Macau Bridge.
Sim Sam
Chim Cham Sui. Welcome to Hong Kong. Guys, we're crossing the Macau Bridge. It's a Macau Bridge, Causeway Bridge.
I thought the Macau Bridge is supposed to work longer, so after bridge like that. Bridge like that.
Casino lah, Macau Casino lah.
She's so upset.
Venetian.
Venetian lah, Venetian.
Venetian blind.
Correct,
That's a Venetian blind.
good, take care. Me, forget my problems.
Take ferry. Pergi Macau.
Go Kowloon. Din Sa Tray.
They take the taxi also. The one
I
is
tell you, the
instant.
COVID go away. I don't care what happened. Let's go. I tell you. You tell Alan on standby. The moment I said go, Alan throw away all the events and go.
Dapat nasa airport na kami ngayon.
Later Alan said, Gila, your boss. Yeah, Alan, you get ready. The moment we can go, we call you only you go. Okay? Never mind you how many events. Just throw away and go.
Just throw away.
Yeah, because this one, you never know anything can happen one, I tell you.
Yeah.
Really, now like that, very painful. I don't know. If he doesn't want, don't want. If he can come.
Yeah.
You know? Just throw and go. Yeah. Don't think another thing. Because once you think only, again, that cannot work.
Ayan.
Just throw and go.
Vietnam nanti lah, Vietnam.
That's what
We have a Vietnam what? When again?
I tell you,
August?
if, yes.
Yeah,
If,
August,
if
Vietnam.
I tell you, if,
If.
Vietnam can change it to Hong Kong. I tell you, I don't mind changing it in Hong Kong. Yes.
Uwi kami guys. Diyan kami kakain. Famous daw yan. Yan, restaurant Texing. Gabi na. Texing. Nagtagarimo.
The fish, the fish. You want deep fried, right? Deep fried, right? You want steam, you want deep fried.
Ayan yung chicken guys. Ito ang kakainin ng
You want the stuff open or you want some?
they cut already.
Oh, they cut for you. Okay.
Hindi.
Just spring chicken.
Wow.
That's so small.
Pinaopong manok. Ang manok. Manok at saka ng fish. Okay. Meron pa kaming dalawang item. Ayan, nilusak na niyang manok, guys. Hello, guys. Nilusak na niyang manok, guys. Seabass fried and sambal patay.
You give me the drumstick, I like the drumstick. Ah, this one the drumstick, right? The thigh, the thigh. The thigh the meat is softer.
Parang batang nakipagkagawan, guys.
I think it is. So small, huh?
Yeah.
So this is the patay.
Yes.
Inside got seed. No, not seed.
No, no seed.
Let's
It's
eat the
a
whole thing like
beans.
that, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, this one kangkong.
Ah, the kangkong.
Just order the chicken. Everybody come order chicken. Hey guys. I appear in your YouTube.
Eto. Kasi mamaya, fully loaded kami ng
Right here,
food.
this one to you.
Yan lang yung pagkain namin, char.
Cita-citanya kurus, hobinya makan terus. Setiap ngajak jalan,
KSL. Ha?
pasti
Yeah. Isa niyo ano? Ha? Yung mabilhan dito, guys. Oh. Ah, this one I know you like it. Ah, this one, oh, chendol. You want this one? Okay, mango longan. Mango is over there. Which one? Oh, ice kacang. I want this one, oh, mango longan. Mango longan.
Menggulungan ice. Pernah nggak? Menggulungannya ice. Makan.
Okay, and you?
Ya ice kacang ini ada coklatnya deh. Jadi,
Yeah, gansa. Meron pa doon. Okay, come. This one, takoyaki.
bagus ya.
Mango. Desserts. Kain. Ang laki niya. Puno. Empty already? Yahoo! Kamay. Ibalong takoyaki ko Order kami takoyaki, guys. Yan aubos yung kanya. Ako paubos na. Ding ding! Overlooking ko ng ano, guys. Naganta na eh. CIQ. CIQ, right? CIQ. Oh, raining. Umuulan sa JD. Ayan, ang lakas ng ulan. Lakas ng ulan, guys. Dito ulit kami nakalabas. Dito,